Hello, today we're talking about taxes. I know, it doesn't sound thrilling, but it's important. Taxes aren't scary, they're just part of how our communities work. They pay for things like roads, schools, parks, and libraries. Even the internet you're using? Taxes helped build that. So why should you care about taxes as a student or young person? If you have a job, maybe scooping ice cream, tutoring, or freelancing, you might already be paying taxes. The government wants to know about any money you earn. Understanding taxes can actually help you get money back. That's right, sometimes you get a refund. Learning about taxes is like learning to ride a bike. Tricky at first, but it gets easier. It's a life skill that gives you independence and helps you make smart financial decisions. So, what are taxes? Simply put, they're money people and businesses pay to the government. The government uses this money for public services that benefit everyone. Think firefighters, public parks, and scientific research. Taxes make all of that possible. It's like everyone chipping in to make our community better. When you earn money, you become part of that effort, and that's actually pretty cool. We'll break it all down so it's easy to understand. Remember, taxes aren't a monster under your bed. They're just a part of life, and you can totally handle them. By learning now, you'll be ready for bigger financial decisions later. It's all about being prepared. So, let's get started and make taxes less intimidating. You're about to gain a skill that will help you for life. Ready? Let's go. Taxes are just a way we all pitch in, and you're more than capable of mastering them. Stick with us, and you'll see how simple it can be. Let's make taxes make sense. Together. You've got this. Let's dive in. Time to talk about the forms you'll see when you earn money. If you work for an employer, you'll get a W-2 form. It shows how much you earned and how much tax was already taken out. Think of it as your employee report card. You'll usually get it by the end of January. If you do freelance or gig work, like dog walking, selling crafts, or DJing, you might get a 1,099 NEC. This form shows what you earned, but usually no taxes were withheld. That means you're responsible for paying those taxes yourself. Keep every W-2 and 1099 you get. They're essential for filing your taxes. Organize them in a safe place, digital or physical. W-2s are for employees. 1099s are for independent contractors. You might get both if you have different types of jobs. Each form tells part of your income story for the year. When it's time to file taxes, you'll need all of them. Missing a form is like missing a puzzle piece. So gather every W-2 and 1099 you receive. They're the key to filing your taxes correctly. Remember, W-2 means taxes were withheld, 1099 means you pay them yourself. Keep your forms organized and you'll be ready to file with confidence. That's the paperwork side of taxes. Simple, right? Next, let's see what filing actually means. Stay organized, and you're already ahead. So, what does filing taxes actually mean? It's just reporting your income to the government and figuring out if you paid the right amount of tax. You send this info to the IRS, the agency that collects federal taxes. Some states have their own income taxes, so you might file a state return too. You usually need to file if your income is above a certain amount, which changes each year. Even if you don't have to file, you might want to, especially if taxes were withheld from your paycheck. Filing is the only way to get a refund if you overpaid. The deadline is usually April 15th. Mark it in your calendar. Start gathering your documents in January or February. Don't wait until the last minute. Mistakes happen when you rush. Filing is just a set of steps. Report your income, check if you get a refund, and submit your forms. If you earned money, especially with taxes withheld, it's worth filing. Free money back? Yes, please. Keep track of your forms and remember the deadline. Being prepared makes everything easier. Filing taxes is just another adulting step, and you can do it. Stay organized, start early, and you'll be fine. Let's keep going. Here's the big question. Will you get a refund or owe more? After you file, the government checks if you paid too much or too little tax. If you paid more than you owed, you get a refund. Often the case for students with part-time jobs. If you didn't pay enough, especially with gig work, you might owe money. 1099 income usually means no taxes were withheld, so you may need to pay up. Sometimes you'll owe self-employment tax too, which covers Social Security and Medicare. If you get a refund, you can have it direct deposited or get a check. If you owe, pay by April 15th to avoid penalties. The key is to know your balance, refund, or payment. Filing your return settles the score. Plan ahead, and there won't be surprises. That's how you stay in control. Ready to file your first tax return? Let's break it down. Step 1. Gather your documents. Social Security number, W-2s, 1099s, and any other income forms. Keep them all together, either in a folder or digitally. Step 2. Choose how to file. You can use tax software. Many offer free versions for simple returns. Or use IRS Free File if you qualify. These programs guide you with simple questions and do the math for you. Step 3. Enter your personal info and income details from your forms. Double-check everything for accuracy. Step 4. The software will help you find deductions or credits you qualify for. Deductions lower your taxable income. Credits lower your tax bill. Step 5. Review your return carefully. Make sure all info is correct. Step 6. Submit your return. E-file is fastest and most secure. That's it. You've filed your taxes. If you get a refund, it'll arrive soon. If you owe, pay by the deadline. Filing taxes is just a series of steps. Nothing to fear. Take your time, use the tools, and you'll do great. High five, you're officially a tax filer. Remember, accuracy matters. Don't rush and double-check your work. Filing is easier than you think. You've got this. On to the next step. Filing taxes for the first time? You don't have to do it alone. The IRS website, irs.gov, has guides, FAQs, and tools. Check out their student section. IRS Free File lets you use brand name tax software for free if your income is below a certain amount. It's guided, simple, and helps you find deductions and credits. Another great resource is VITA, Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. VITA offers free in-person help for people who make under a certain amount, have disabilities, or limited English. VITA sites are in community centers, libraries, and schools. Volunteers are IRS certified and can help you file accurately. Many colleges also offer free tax help for students. Check with your school's student services or business department. Don't be afraid to ask for help. These resources are there for you. Filing correctly is totally doable with support. Use the free help available. It's smart to get guidance, especially your first time. You'll learn faster and avoid mistakes. Take advantage of these programs. Filing taxes is a team effort if you want it to be. You're not alone. Help is out there. Let's see how taxes work in real life. Summer jobs, like camp counselor or store clerk, mean you're an employee and get a W-2. Even if you only work a few months, taxes may be withheld. If your income is below the standard deduction, you might not owe federal tax, but you could get a refund if taxes were withheld. Filing is how you get that money back. Gig work, like driving, freelancing, or selling crafts, means you're an independent contractor. You'll get a $1,099 NEC and no taxes are withheld. You're responsible for income and self-employment tax and may need to make estimated payments. Keep good records. Expenses can be deducted to lower your taxable income. Know your job type, and you'll know what to expect at tax time. Missed the tax deadline? Don't panic, just act fast. If you're due a refund, there's usually no penalty, but you have 3 years to claim it. If you owe taxes, filing late can mean penalties and interest. File as soon as you can, even if you can't pay right away. The IRS offers payment plans. Don't ignore the problem. Made a mistake on your return? You can fix it by filing an amended return, Form 1040X. You have up to 3 years to amend. If you owe more, pay it with your amendment. If you're due a bigger refund, the IRS will send it. Always correct mistakes as soon as you find them. Being honest and proactive is best. Everyone makes mistakes. Fixing them is part of the process. Don't stress. Just take the steps to make it right. The tax system is built to let you fix errors. Stay calm and handle it. You'll be fine. That's it, your crash course in taxes. We covered what taxes are, why they matter, and how to handle W-2S and 1099S. You learned what filing means, how refunds and payments work, and how to file step by step. We showed you where to get free help and how to handle summer jobs and side gigs. Mistakes? No big deal. You know how to fix them. The main thing? You can do this. Taxes aren't a secret code, just a process you can learn. Each year, you'll get more confident. Understanding taxes helps you manage your money and plan for your future. It's about being part of your community and supporting things we all use. Don't let taxes intimidate you. Ask questions, use resources, and keep good records. Start early, stay organized, and don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. Every step is progress. You're smart, capable, and ready to handle your taxes. This is just one more way you're becoming an awesome, independent adult. You've got this. Go out there and be financially savvy. Remember, taxes are just another skill you're mastering. Thanks for watching, and happy filing. You're officially a tax boss.